Hey there, fam, it's Irene Boo Boo Budgets. I appreciate you stopping by and gifting me with some of your beautiful, precious time. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you've been here before. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing and joining the fam bam. I would love to have you here if you have not subscribed already. And if you do like what you see, please consider smashing like button to help get my video out into the YouTube algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. So today I'm going to go over my cash stuffing for week number 3 for the month of March. And let's go ahead and get right into it. Let me go ahead and count the money first to see what we're working with. I hope everyone is doing well, is having a wonderful day or evening, whatever time you're watching the video. Oops. All right. Excuse me. We're working with $1,020 today. And please excuse my voice. I've been feeling a little under the weather. And so I sound a little nasally and my throat's kind of dry. So I have some throat comfort tea here. So I'll be sipping on that throughout the video. So I hope you don't mind. Please bear with me. Okay. So let's go ahead and start with my Betty Boop binder. And let's go. I don't have any star notes this week. Nothing in abundance. So let's go to annual bills. This is going to get $50. Let me take a sip of this. Excuse me. Okay. So we have 100 in the bank. 2, 3, 20, 45. We have $3.45 in annual bills. Oh, nails of the day. Pretty blue, pretty ombre, huh? I thought they were cute. Okay, so for birthdays, we're gonna put $50. So we have 100, 200 in the bank, $3.50. So we have $3.50 for birthdays. And the next birthday I have coming up is my son. He's in April, so I already started buying some gifts for him. All right, so next is car. And car is going to get 25. So that's 20 and 5. So now car has 600 in the bank, 50, 70, 80, 590. $690 for car. Okay, for Christmas, we're gonna put 25. So we have 100 in the bank, 225. So 225 for Christmas. Oh, maybe not. I have a 50 in here. All right, 275. Let's count that up again. 100 in the bank, 250.75. So 275 for Christmas. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, so for clothing, we're gonna put 25. So we have 100 in the bank. Oops, getting stuck. 100 in the bank. 2, 20, 40, 50. So $250 for clothing. All right, for Costco, we're gonna put 25. So we now have 51, 52, 53, 25. Yeah, 325. Sorry. Okay, for health, we're gonna put 50. So now health has 1, 2, 350. 350. For household, we're gonna put 50. So Now we have 1, 2, 3, 400 in the bank, 550. So 550 total for household. And this is for like stuff that I need to get around the house. Like it could be anything. It could be, what I really want to do is build it up for like home repairs, renovations and stuff like that. But I use it to buy like you know, large and small appliances and just stuff I need for the house. It's not the little small like cleaning supplies or anything like that. I use it for other things. Okay, so now the black binder. Let's see what we have. Excuse me. So for Jack, we're gonna put 100, $250. Okay, so okay. So now for Jack, we have 1,500, 6, 7. We have 1,800 in the bank, 19, 2,000, 50, 60, 5, 7, 8. Was that right? Let me see. 1,500, 6, 7, 8. So 1,800 in the bank, 19. There's 2,000, 50, 60, 5, 7, 8. Okay, that was right. Okay, I was doubting myself there for a minute because I'm not really good with counting, as you all know. You should be knowing that by now. All right, so for kids, I'm gonna put $50. So we now have 300 in the bank, 4, 50, 70. Okay, so 470 for kids. For parents, actually I'm not putting anything else in parents. I'll hold off on that for today. And then Roth, I'm gonna put 100. So for Roth, I have 5, 6, 7, 800 in the bank, 9, 1,100. So 1,100 for Roth. Okay, and then for taxes, I'm gonna put I'm gonna put 100 for taxes. So I have 1, 2, 3, 400 in the bank, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 6. 600 for taxes for next year. Okay. Excuse me. So for vacation, we're gonna put $100. So vacation has 200 in the bank, 3, 4, 520. So we have 520 for vacation. Wow, that's pretty good. 520 for vacation. I didn't realize I had that much in there. Cool. All right, and then for YouTube, we are gonna put $20. Oops, I took the whole thing out. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140. So we have 140 for YouTube. Cool. So that's it for the black binder. Now we would do my cash envelope wallet. Cash envelopes for my wallet. So for date night, I'm not gonna put anything. For fun, I'm not gonna put anything, but for gas, I'm gonna put $50. Oh, I guess I should count it. I have 150. Okay, $150 for gas. And then for personal, I'm going to put 50. So I have 100 for personal to last me through next week. Okay. All right, so that is it, folks. That's going to do it for week 3 cash stuffing for the month of March 2025. Appreciate you sticking with me to the end. And if you did, please leave a blue heart. Thanks for watching. Bye.